Welcome to Slab. Slab empowers teams to do their best work by knocking down information barriers and making knowledge sharing easier than ever. At the heart of Slab are posts, the building blocks of documentation. Creating a post is easy with Slab's intuitive WYSIWYG editor that generates beautiful content by default. You can embed web pages, videos, and even edit files in any integrated application within Slab. Collaborate with your colleagues in real time with transparent version histories and detailed comments to make getting stuff done easy. Publishing posts is a breeze. With clear, simple, and flexible permissions available for every topic. From public information to private projects, only you or a small group of colleagues can see, to everything in between. Posts are organized into topics, which are like supercharged folders for your content. Topics are infinitely nestable, connecting your entire organization logically and consistently. Browse and join topics that are relevant to you so you can stay up to date. Don't know where to find something? Slab has a robust search engine, enabling you to find whatever you're looking for in a flash, even searching the content of all your integrated applications. It's for growing tech companies, small businesses, enterprise titans, and everyone in between. With Slab, you can say goodbye to siloed information and knowledge hoarding. Your team's most important content will be accessible and secure. It's easy to invite teammates, but you can rest easy with SSO, SAML, login protection. And best of all, teams under 10 can get started for free. Ready to jump in? Head to Slab University to become a power user. Slab, helping you build a culture of knowledge sharing.